Hello everyone, I hope you're all okay. In this video I'm going to share 2 ways to make aubergine snack with you. Stay tuned to see how I make it. So here in my bowl I've got 1 large aubergine cut into slices, and I'm just adding all the spices or ingredients that I am using with it. So I will list everything down below in the description box. Do have a look to see what I've used, and you can add your own flavor to it. So this is the spicy type of snack that I'm making, and I'm going to be baking this. So I'm done adding everything, and I'm now just going to toss around or mix well to make sure it's well incorporated, and then I'm going to pop it in the oven, and I will bake it on 200 degrees for at least 20 minutes, and the oven is preheated as well. After 20 minutes, my snack is ready, and this is how it's looking. I am going to be having this with a little bit of spicy sauce, which is right here. And so you can have this for your afternoon snacks or evening snacks. So I'm now going to start my Aubergine pizza. In a bowl here with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, I'm just adding garlic powder and onion salt to that. And I'm just going to mix together. So I'm going to rub that over my aubergine here. I'm using 1 large one as well, and I did mistakenly cut a thin layer out, but I'm still going to use that anyway, so do make sure to cut it a little bit thicker. I'm now going to bake for 15 minutes, which you can see here. And so now I'm just going to put all my toppings on this and bake again for about 5 minutes or until the cheese has melted. And you can use any topping of your choice. So I'm using my homemade tomato sauce, some sliced tomato and sweet pepper, as well as salami and prosciutto and mozzarella. So I'm just putting that on my aubergine. So I'm done topping all the aubergine up. I'm now going to pop it and bake it, and this is how it's looking after 5 minutes. You can have this for a snack, or if you're in a diet, for dinner. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you do like it, thumbs up for me and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so when I upload any video you will be the first to be notified. Thank you so much once again. Bye for now, and see you in the next video.